Houston, we have liftoff.
Houston, the Eagle has landed.
Let's go.
We're gonna go fly like astronauts.
I've been looking forward to this day for a little while. Space Center, Houston.
Space Center, Houston.
Let's do it.
So, I didn't know if you guys knew this, but it's free to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Just hit that button and you're with us.
Yeah,
you're on the journey.
We won't send you a bill.
No bill attached. Just us having fun with you. So don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. Share this video if you want to. Comment, whatever you want to do. But come along with us.
So we get all the way through line there, about 15 minutes, and get to the door and they say no selfie sticks.
No selfie sticks.
Which basically we don't really have long extending selfie sticks on our cameras, just the 2 GoPros. But anyway, so back to the truck, drop them off, and basically now we just got a camera.
So now we're just holding.
Just like that. That's okay.
What do you do?
Let's go in. At least we don't have to stand in line again.
No, he told us that we could come back.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna be worn out before I even get in there. Second trip to the car, get to the door, and no pocket knives. Well, I'm a guy, I carry a pocket knife. It's not a knife, it's a tool. Anyway, back to the car, drop it off. Nemo waited this time.
Going on a tram ride.
When stood upright, taller than the Statue of Liberty, and it was part of the Apollo program, and it ended in 1972, and this baby is ready. I mean, I think the only thing they need to do is add fuel and stand it up. That's what, and a launch site, I guess, but basically is never used.
What about strapping one of those to the truck, baby?
Yeah, and squash the truck.
And we thought that the ones in New Mexico that we saw were huge.
Yeah.
Check those bad boys out. There's 5 of them on this thing.
Say about it, baby.
That's wild. That's just... Okay, so that is just wild. So you see it like launch on TV, you've seen them launch, and you know that they're big, but when you're standing right next to it, it's enormous. This is crazy. This is crazy how big it is. I just didn't realize it. Falcon 9 SpaceX. Look at that.
I'm super excited to go in the space shuttle Independence right behind us, and it's mounted on the original 747 that brought it here.
Right, exactly. It's so cool. It's huge. I can't believe how big these things are.
It is.
It's just,
yeah.
Let's go inside. I'm so excited.
Let's do it.
I'm lost. I don't know how to fly this. Look at all the instruments. That's crazy. Oh.
It's the button on the left.
It's the button on the left.
Yeah, that's what I said. Space toilet.
It's almost like an RV toilet.
Yeah, a little more high tech, maybe. It's a little more high tech than RV toilet.
It's small like mine, so. It's not as smooth as the moon.
What's this one?
This is Mars.
Yeah, it's a little rougher.
Building some food. Space crops. This is how I'm gonna start feeding you from now on.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to the store.
Is your mind blown?
Again.
We have got to stop doing these mind-blowing trips.
So much info.
So much info. Woo! I want to become an astronaut now.
Amazing information.
Yes, yes.
Amazing
so
experience.
Cool. So cool. So
Yeah.
cool.
Mind blowing.
Bring your family. The little kids loved it. There was little kids running all over the place, touching stuff. It was awesome to see.
Lots of interactive things for the kids to do, and lots of stuff for the adults to read and follow along, and movies and demonstrations, and amazing.
It was way cool. So it was $30 a piece and $5 for parking.
Yeah, it's on a bucket list. I think if you don't have it on your bucket list, you need to add it. Let's put it that way.
So now I'm excited to go to Florida and go to Kennedy Space Center in Florida, because this is so cool.
Okay, let's wrap up the video.
Let's do it. We're moving on.
And what are we gonna do?
We are going to go to Fort Worth, and we're gonna go to the stockyards, see some cows.
All right, that sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
All right.
And we'll see you next week in Fort Worth.
Bye.
Bye.